Okay, so I want to teach you how to make a very cheap lockpick using a vise, a hammer, a bench grinder, and a nail. Alright, so you're going to need a vise that's got like a flat area on the back or something. If you don't have that, then you could try it on the ground, but the object is to take the nail and pound it flat. Okay, so this is what I did. I pounded it out. I'll probably pound it a little bit more, but you just want to make sure that you pound it flat enough so that you think it'll go all the way to the back of the lock. And you kind of want to pound it out kind of like an even width. And it's probably going to bend, so you're going to have to pound it back, pound it straight, get it as straight as you can. That just helps that we don't have to grind so much. Alright. Alright, so there you have it. Now the next step would be to grind it. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to look for the side that is the most flat. And on this one, it's going to be this side right here, the bottom side. And basically, you just want to grind that even with the edge of the nail. Okay, and yeah, so we'll go ahead and do that. Alright, so what you're going to do next is you're going to want to figure out what type of pick you want to make. Now that I have the bottom fairly flat, I'm going to make a diamond pick, and I'm going to use the part of the tip right here, this part, to kind of help me with that, make the top of the diamond. And all I gotta do is just grind it out, and it's not that difficult. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay. So now there's the finished product. And then what I like to do after that is, if you got a brush wheel on your grinder, use that to kind of take off the rough edges. Probably can't see it, but it's pretty rough around the edges, and especially on the tip of the diamond. And that's going to make it slow through the pins and get it caught, and then that's just not good. It just slows you down. And, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. There's one finished lockpick made out of a nail. You can also use this to make a tension wrench, or if you don't have any nails laying around, which most people do, so it's kind of a convenient way to make a lockpick. And they don't even cost that much for a small box. And I forgot to mention that this nail is actually 2 inches and 3/8 long. You can use a bigger nail if you want, but the good part about a nail is that they're easy to find, and they're pretty. They don't bend real easy. I mean, it depends which way you put pressure on it, but they don't bend too bad. So